Okay, so here's the question. So if 3 more than 1/4 of a number is 3 less than the number, what is the value of the number? Is that letter A 2, letter B 8, letter C 3/4, or letter D 4? Okay, so this is a particular word problems na kadalasan lumalabas sa civil service examination or licensure examination for professional teachers. So other than this na word problems involving algebra or integers, meron din tayong age problems, work problems, measurement problems, at geometrical problems. So before we answer this particular question, so let's have first a practice exercise. So kuha tayo ng mga specific questions dun sa ating mga reviewers or books, then try natin sagutan. Okay, so unahin natin dito sa isang reviewer. Okay, let reviewer. So yung napili ko ditong sagutan is yung number 5. Ito. So if 3 times a number is subtracted from 7, okay, the result is 12. What is the number? Okay, so sinulat ko na yan. Okay, so ito siya. So kapag magsasagot tayo ng mga word problems, so kailangan natin tandaan na read, understand, and analyze the problem. So kailangan mong ulitin yung pagbasa ng word problem. Okay, so gawin natin hanggang sa maintindihan natin. Then sunod is identify natin yung mga given at yung mga hinahanap. Okay, so in this particular question, hindi natin alam yung number, so magre-represent tayo. Okay, so let's have first a representation. So representation. Okay, so since hindi natin alam yung number, so let x be the number. Okay, so after that, proceed tayo sa given. Gawa tayo ng equation. Okay, sabi dun sa given is if 3 times a number is subtracted from, so 3 times a number, so 3 times x yung number, subtracted from 7 times the number is, yung ibig sabihin ng is equal sign 12. Yan, so meron na tayong equation. Okay, then let's proceed to on how to solve it. Okay, so combine like terms. Okay, sa algebra, 7x minus 3x, yung sagot dyan 4x is equals to 12. Okay, divide both side by 4, x will be equal to 3. Okay, yung sagot natin dyan is 3. So x is equals to 3. Okay, so next, kuha naman tayo dito sa pang civil service examination na reviewer, isang particular question. Okay, yan, so kunin natin tong number 13. Okay, the sum of two consecutive numbers is 75. If x is the smaller number, what is the value of x? Okay, so sinulat ko na din siya. Okay, ayan. So ganun pa rin, basahin pa rin natin ng maigi hanggang sa maunawahan natin yung problems. Then proceed tayo. Since this is a integer problems or number problems, so ganun pa rin. May mga given, then hinahanap natin sa x. So since hindi natin alam yung number, so representation ulit tayo. Okay, so let x be the first or yung smaller number. Okay, so kasi given na sa problem niya, if x is the smaller number. Okay, so pansin natin yung word na consecutive number, ibig sabihin magkasunodan. Okay, magkasunod. So kung yung x yung smaller number, ano yung mas malaki? Okay, so paano natin i-represent yung consecutive number? So from example tayo, di ba, yung 1, 2, magkasunodan na consecutive numbers yan. Yung 100 tsaka 101, consecutive numbers din yan. Okay, paano magiging 101 yung 100? O paano magiging 2 yung 1? Kung halimbawa, yung 1 is yung x in smaller, paano siya magiging 2? So, x plus 1. Okay, so dadagdagan natin ng 1 para maging 2. Okay? So, yung susunod nating representation, x plus 1 is equals to be the second number. Okay? So, after representation, gawa tayo ng equation. Okay? So, ano yung equation? Sabi sa problem, the sum of two consecutive numbers is 75. So, yung sum daw nila, x plus 1 is equals to 75. Okay? Then, solve na natin. Okay? So, combine like terms. So, x plus x, 2x, okay, plus 1 is equals to 75. Okay? So, lipat natin, transpose natin yung 1. So, magiging 2x is equals to 75 minus 1. Kapag mag-change tayo, magta-transpose tayo, mag-change tayo ng sign. So, yung magiging sagot, 2x is equals to 74. Divide natin both side by 2. X will be 37. 74 divided by 2, 37. Okay, so, malinaw po. Okay, so, sabi doon, what is the value of x? So, value of x is 37. Okay, so, sagutan na natin tong particular question. So, if 3 more than 1/4 of a number is 3 less than the number, what is the value of a number? Okay, so, ganun pa rin, yung first step natin dyan is represent. Okay, representation. So, hindi natin alam yung number. So, let x be the number. Okay, pwede kayong gumamit ng kahit anong variable. Pwedeng n, m, y, etc. etc. So, ako ang gagamitin ko yung most common yung x. Okay, sunod, gawa tayo ng equation based on sa given. Okay, sabi doon, 3 more than 1/4 of a number. So, pag sinasabing more than, it pertains to addition. Pag less than naman, it pertains to subtraction. Okay, so yung 3 more than 1/4 of a number. Okay, so, yung 3 more than plus 1/4 ng number. Okay, is, ibig sabihin, equals, okay, 3 less than, so 3 less than the number. Yan. Okay? So, then combine natin yung mga, i-transpose natin yung mga like terms. So, ito transpose natin. Then, ito naman, yung negative 3, transpose natin sa kabila. So, magiging 3, from negative 3, magiging positive 3 equals x minus x over 4. Okay? X over 4 or 1/4 x. So, same lang yan. Okay? So, 3 plus 3, 6 is equals to x minus x over 4. Ayan. So, yung pag-solve nito, multiply natin both side by 4 para matanggal natin yung denominator. So, 4 times 6. Okay? Proceed natin dito. 4 times 6, 24. Okay? Distribute natin. 4 times x, 4x. Okay? Minus, okay, cancel na natin dito yung 4, tsaka itong 4, matitira na lang x. Okay? So, 24 is equal to 4x minus x, 3x. Then, divide natin both side by 3. So, x is equals to 8. Okay? So, meron ba sa choices ng 8? Okay. So, the value of the number is 8. So, answer, letter B. Okay? Okay. Sige. So, I hope na intindihan. So, to better understand, so, kayo naman, try nyong sagutan itong dalawang word problems. Okay? Try this. Okay? So, I hope may natutunan. So, thank you so much po.